Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix the last caretaker game not launching, crashing, loading, black screen, lagging, freezing or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to check system requirements. So make sure your PC meets the required specs. For that, go to Steam. Now in the store option, you have to search for the game, and after that go below, and here you will find the system requirements to play the game on your PC. Make sure your PC have all these requirements, and after that try to play the game and check if it fixes the problem. If not, next method is to modify launch options. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. General, you can see launch option. Here you have to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and see if this resolves the problem. If not, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if it helps to fix the issue. If not, next is to run game from installation folder. So for that, go to Steam, select your game, under library section, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here is the game application. You simply need to double click on it to launch the game. If it's launching, then well and good. If not, then you have to run the game as administrator. For that, right click on the game application. Now click on properties, then select compatibility, and here you have to click on run this program as an administrator. Now hit on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and see if it is launching or not. If not, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7 and then click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game. If the issue still occurs, then again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and see if this resolves the problem. If not, next method is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now here expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will search if there is any update available and will update your graphics driver to the latest version. After that, launch the game. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. Now this will verify the game files. Once the game files are verified, try to launch the game. Next is to check graphic settings of the game. So when your graphic settings are not properly set up, like texture, quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game. And this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues, as it plays a vital role. So make sure to set up the settings properly, or even lower the graphic settings to avoid the unwanted issue. Next solution is to allow the last caretaker through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now click on firewall network protection, allow an app through firewall. Click on change settings, and here you have to search for the game if it's listed. So let me search for the game. So game is listed over here. If it is not listed, click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder where your game has been installed. Now select the game application and after that add it to the list over here. After adding it, select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and see if it's launching or not. Next method is to stop overclock CPU and GPU settings. So sometimes overclocking makes the CPU or GPU unstable, so you are suggested to check if there is any overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background. This will help you to fix the issue. Next method is to disable in-game overlays. Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, then click on in-game, and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option is enabled. You have to click on it to disable it. Now after the Steam overlay is disabled, try to launch the game and see if it helps to fix the problem. For GeForce Experience, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and then switch off in-game overlay options from here. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay option. Next solution is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser, or even you can search for Visual C++ files on your browser. Now after the website opens, go below and here you have to select and click on the link. Once the link is downloaded, you have to open it. Now after opening it, you will get an option of repair or install. So if you are getting repair option, simply click on repair and you have to wait for some time until it gets repaired completely. Now it's saying setup successful. Now after that, restart your PC once. After restarting, again launch the game and check if you can play it without any further problem. Next solution is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Now here you have to click on check for updates option, and it will search if any update is available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and then launch the game. Next is to install or update DirectX. So for that, go through the link I have already provided in the description and paste it in your browser. Now after the website opens, here you can see download option. Simply click on it and the link will be downloaded. Now after that, install DirectX on your system, and after that launch the game and see if it helps to fix the problem. If not, next is to update system BIOS. For that, first check your motherboard model. Now visit its support page and download the latest BIOS. After that, follow the official instructions for BIOS flashing, and then finally restart your system and test the game if it is launching or not. Now the next method is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add a desktop app. After that, go to the game folder where your game has been installed. So after that, here you have to select the game application, add it to the list. Now after the game is added, click on arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance, and after that launch the game and see if it helps to fix the problem. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall the last caretaker game. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game completely from your system. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch Steam and then reinstall the last caretaker game on your PC, and then click on play button and then check if it's working or not. So through these methods, you can easily fix the last caretaker game crashing, not launching, not loading, lagging, freezing, or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.